Hi everyone, Darya Hoover is here. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty East Bay. We're located in Walnut Creek, and today I'm hosting an open house of this beautiful mobile home, and it's listed by my colleague from the same Keller Williams Realty East Bay. His name is Rob Mills, and he graciously offered me to host his mobile home for him. You can see in the background that this house has a beautiful kitchen, and this whole house is actually very beautiful. But for you, if you want to see the whole house, please come here. I'm here until 4:30 p.m. today, and I'll be glad to show you around. So this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's spacious, clean, and it's ready for moving in. It's located in a senior community. People who are 55 years and older can live here. But the best part of this house is that it's newest among its comparables. Most mobile homes are built in 1970s, but this specific house is built in 2006. You can tell it's so much newer than the other ones, and that's why it provides more value. So the address is 300 Vista Grand in Pacheco, and this mobile home is offered just under $300,000. If you do need to get a loan, please let me know. Most lenders or mortgage officers do not do home loans for mobile homes, but we do know some great lenders who do mobile home loans. So please just let me know and I can help you with that. And again, please come and see this open house. And it would be my absolute honor to represent you as a buyer's agent if you decide to buy this mobile home through me. Thank you so much for watching.